Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'll show you how you can generate your company logo or your brand logo without paying someone. Because I have an AI tool that you can use for your brand, and also you can generate any kind of logo, any kind of brand without paying any of freelancer or any of designer. Okay, you can generate your own style and own logo. Don't need to do any kind of designing here. Okay, here you can see I already opened a website called looka.com. Just you need to follow my steps, and after that here you can see I will generate 1, 2, 3 or more and more logo for you. Okay, so first of all you need to add here your company name. Suppose my company name is demo design. Okay, demo design, and after that I will click on get started. Then you need to verify your information with this. Here you can see pick your industry. What will be your industry? I am picking here 3D printing. You need to add here your company related information. Okay, 3D printing. After that click on continue. Then here you can see pick some logos you like. You can add some type of logos here like as a hints. Okay, here you can see I already picked here from this and also from this and this one also. I'm just picking here from the suggestion so that Looka can generate any kind of logo for according to my information. Okay, continue. Then click on the some color picker. You need to add the color pick, or you need to add the colors that you want to generate the logo with this. Okay, I'm selecting the purple, I'm selecting the green and also the red. Then click on continue. You can select only 3, and here is the add slogan. This is optional option. Okay, you can use this. If you don't have any logo or any slogan, then you don't need to use this. Okay, I'm adding here we sell for you. Okay, click on continue. Then here is the pick some symbol type. How many symbols you can use? Print, gear or abstract, paper. This kind of symbol they can use for generating my logo. Here is the pick a logo to customize. Here you can see they are generating some logos for me. Just a moment, you need to wait here for that logo. Here you can see the demo design. They are generating lots of logo for me. Can you see that? Okay, then I can customize logo from here. Suppose I love this and I can click on okay, I need to sign up with Google. Just a moment, let me select my accounts. Okay, now I'm customizing this logo. You can see here is the logo. You can make it bigger and you can make it smaller. Okay, here you can see the logo information. Here is the logo, here is the information, and if you want to make it right side, then you can make it right side. If you want to make it left side, or if you want to make it other side, you can. Okay, here you can see the full screen option, and if you want to see the demo where you can use this, here is the demo design and here is the mockup option. And if you want to change the color also, here is the color information. Here I am changing the color. Here is the information for this, and here is the brand kit option. You can also download the brand kit from this, and but for this you need to purchase the paid plan. Now you need to download this, but you cannot download this for free. Here is the download option. You can see get the brand kit. Okay, so but we have another option. We'll just copy this, or we'll just make a screenshot for this. Just make a screenshot, and you can think that your image resolution will be down if you take a screenshot. Don't worry, I have another tool, Image Clear AI. If you search in Google with the name of Image Clear AI, then you can see here is the pixart and other options. Just click on browse file and select your screenshot logo and then upload here. Your image is processing. You can see this image will be very clear, okay, with the professional highlight enhancements. Just a moment, here is the image. You can click on download. Here is the low res image. Continue. Now I am checking with you the clearance of this image. Here you can see this image is right now very professional, and also demo design is we sell for you. This is my logo. I am using this for you only. So I hope you understand this professionally. And if you want to do your website SEO also, then you can see here is the option Boostify. If you search in Google with the name of Boostify, here is the website. This website is an AI powered SEO solution website. You can find it from Google, and after that you can use it for your website so that you can rank your website in the first page of first line in Google. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye now.